Hi Tim, good morning. Welcome to my channel. This side Sharath. As usual, I come up with a new panda in Power BI. So, do you know one thing? This video will be on the basis of we'll discuss on how to synchronize the different visualizations. For example, uh, let me uh, let me show you. So for example, I am having different hierarchy in my product level. For example, I am having category, subcategory, brand, sub brand, then SKU. So starting from category, that portfolio level. Category, sometimes people told that it is in portfolio level in business. So from portfolio to brand, subcategory, then category to subcategory, subcategory to brand, brand to sub brand, then sub brand to the SKU level. Okay, SKU means the product key or product code. Some people are called as SKU, some people told that it is UPC. In some business it is called as uh, uh, product key also. So, if someone want to see the business in different hierarchy, for example, I want to see the sales for the at the category level, at different level of my product hierarchy. So, what I have done, there is a simple way people used to do. In x-axis, they have given different hierarchies. For example, I am having business in my data set. I'm having two. I'm giving just one example of two hierarchy, like business segment and then category. Okay, and I'm showing the sum of the sales here, and in the down chart here you can see. So here I'm showing what is the sales achievement versus the cost, the expenses, achievement versus the expenses, on the basis of different hierarchies. Now it is showing on the basis of business segment, and you can here in the values I have added a business and categories. Do you know how we can synchronize both the visualizations? Do you know? For example, what is my question? Let's understand first. For example, here you can say there is a drill down and drill up system. So for example, I want to drill down. So now it is showing the sales by business segment. If I will drill down, it will show the sales by category here. But in this below chart, it is showing sales by business segment, not by category. So how we can do this automatically? It should change. If I am doing the category, it should show in category. If I am looking in the top visual in segment level, if I am drilling off, going off level, one level off, so it is now showing in the segment. Below chart is showing the segment, the cost sales analysis on business segment. If I am going down one level, next level, then it is showing the analysis of sales versus my cost uh, on category. See, but the first one is showing business segment, second one is showing on the category. It is not synchronized. That means I want to see if the first visualization is in business segment in the higher hierarchy, then all the visualizations in the page should be on the same hierarchy. Okay, if I'm moving down one level down to category, then it should be shown as category uh, in all other visualizations. Okay, so now here it is not synchronized. How to make it synchronized? So just one idea I have taken, uh, I have done achieved this one in this manner. Let us go to here. I have created one dimension table. For example, here is my fact table, and data is having the fact table, and I have created one dimension table, that is my product table, which will contain all the products. Okay, the summarized table of that dim table, which contains my um, model, business segment, and category. All the three. Model is my SKU, you can say, the lowest level, and business segment is my top level, and the next level is category, and the lowest level is model. Okay, I have summarized it, and I have taken the unique model, unique models, and all those things. If I am going to the tabular view, you can see the dim table is like this: model, business segment, and category. okay, and this model is now unique. Okay, so what I have done, I have done a relationship from this dim table to my data table, and with the this model is my unique key, so I have created the relationship on the basis of this model. Okay, model code, you can see these are the different product codes. Okay, and once I achieve that, if I am going here, you can see there the relationship dim product. If I am going here, you can see manage relationship. Let's go to the manage relationship. You can see the dim table and dim product and data model is having the relationship is like this. Okay, and it is like this model with the model of data table. It is connected with the dim table, one to many relation, and the filter cross filter direction is single. Okay, but how it can help me, I have created another table on top of this, that is called hierarchy table. Okay, so how it is doing, I have just taken the columns which I need in different hierarchies. For example, here you can see I have added up with a union with an union measure, and I have created another table which will contain the model, and I have named it as a segment, for example. Okay, and the name will be my business segment. Okay, this column I have taken from this dim table. Okay, dim product table. So this is the first one. I have taken from the dim product table only the model one. Okay, and this I mentioned it as my segment. Okay, for example, it is I have named it as segment. Okay, no, so the unique, sorry, the model is my unique code, so I have taken that one as my reference. Okay, on each and every table. For example, here in this category level also I have taken the model as a reference by unique key. Okay, because model is my unique key, and but the name I have given another column I have created as the name, which is my business segment. Okay, and that's why the label I have mentioned as the segment, and the sorting order I have given one. Similarly, on the next level I have taken another column, that is dim category. Okay, and the label name I have mentioned as category, and same product, that model, that unique key, that I have taken the first one. Okay, from which table? From the dim product table. So these two columns, these two tables has been joined with an union column. Okay, I'll go to this one, top 10 product also I have shown here. So similarly, in this way this is created. Okay, that means one table is created which contains my labels. Okay, in one column. For example, category and this business segment. Okay, is having the same column name. Okay, that is column which name is name. Okay, that is called my column which the name of the column is name. Okay, and the label I have given different label, like there is a label column which contains the category here, and the label column which contains segment here for business segment, and per category I have name is category, and sort order, this I given just sorting the orders. So this is the business segment will be on the higher hierarchy, so I have given one, and the next level is category, so that's why I have given it 2. Okay, similarly, selected column I have given another column which shows the top 10 products. Okay, top 10 products with the dim product table. How it is created, I have taken the same column name. Okay, same table name, dim product, but instead of this unique key, here I have given the ranks. Okay, a rank of dim product table, and on the basis of total sales. Okay, total sales means this is measure which is just sum of the sales column. Okay, so that on that measure, on that basis it is calculated the rank, and I want to take only less than 10, less than equal to 10. That means it is it will be filter out. Okay, the dim product table with on the basis of rank, and it will show only top 10 products. Okay, and label I have given top 10 products, and it will be the at the end I want to show. So the sorting level as 3, and the level name I have given as in the level column I have given its name as top 10 products, and the name is dim product model. Okay, here I have taken the model one, the unique key on this on the basis of this model only I'm creating the ranks. Okay, that's why it is I have taken the dim model level. Okay, so model column. Okay, dim product model. So how it is created, let me show you the hierarchy one. So hierarchy table, it will create like this way. One is the label. Okay, I have taken the name as a label, so it contains all the 3 labels: category, segment, and top 10 products. And the sort I have given for segment I have given 1, for category I have given 2, and for top 10 I have given 3. Okay, and the name is just adding of all these first the segments, then if you go down after segment it will come the business segment, then categories, and after categories it will be the top 10 products. Okay, and the final one on the basis of my this key model is my product key, unique key. Okay, on that basis I'm doing everything. For example, here if I'm going to the level top 10, you can see only 10 products. You can see whatever top 10 columns it will be filtered out, and it's showing here. Okay, so these are the top 10 models. Okay, on the basis of the cells. So now what happened, once this table is created by joining all this selected column measure. Okay, I have created the table on the unselected columns by using the selected column measure. I have created this table. There are 3 tables I have created on the basis of one for a segment, one for category, and one for top 10. Once these 3 tables has been created, then all these 3 tables has been joined together with the union function. Okay, once it is joined, then this table is created. You can see this table is created. Okay, one after the it is appended. Union means it will append one after one. First segment, then category, then top 10 products. And then what I have done in the visualization, let me go to synchronize one. Here in the filter I have taken that name. Okay, so the label contains segment, category, and top 10. And what I have done, I have make it this setting as selection as only single select. That means you have to select one. Either you can see in the segment level or category level or top 10 products. Okay, and in every visualization what I have done some changes here. Instead of providing the column names in the x-axis, I have given different column names like segment and category separately. I have taken the only name column here from the hierarchy, not from directly from table or dim table. Okay, dim product table, neither from dim to product table nor from the fact table. I have taken from hierarchy table. Okay, and it will be the name column, and in x-axis same the sales measure. Okay, and that's it. It will work fine. Similarly, in cost and sales analysis, cost versus sales analysis. So I have taken the cost and sorry, here I am showing the order cost versus the quantity order. Okay, instead of the order I can take also the sum of the sales. For example, here cost versus sales, if I want to do analysis, so you can, instead of order quantity, I can show the sum of the sales. So where is my sales column? Profit, cost. Okay, and there is a sales column in the y-axis. I can sum up the sales. So you can see the cost versus sales is there, and but in the value column I have taken the name from hierarchy table. Okay, earlier where there is no synchronization, if you see here I have taken the column names. Okay, instead of taking this column names in the synchronizing hierarchy, I have taken the name column from the hierarchy table. Okay, once it is done, if you see, once I select segment, all the both the visualizations it is showing at the segment level. Okay, you can see bike companies and all these components, clothing, accessories. So all these are showing at the hierarchy level. Okay, once I click on the category, now it has been changed. Both the visualization has been converted to category level. Okay, if I am going to the top 10 products, so you can see it is showing 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So 10 top 10 products, both in the both analysis, like in the bar chart and in this bubble chart. So this top 10 products are showing. Okay, so that means it is synchronized. Both the visualizations are synchronized here. Okay, the simple way what you have to do, you have to create one dim table. You should have a dim table, and you should have one hierarchy table. Hierarchy table should be created in such way that you should give a name like column. You have to make a column with a label name, like which level, what is the level of that one. For example, I'm having category, then brand, sub brand, all those things you can put that in level one. Name, you can put uh, all the product names like category name. Then if category hierarchy level is category, then it should be category name. If hierarchy level is brand, it should be brand names. All those things you have to add in the name. And there will be a sort column you can add, like for example, if I'm going to the my hierarchy table, there is uh, there is a label sort, where a label sort you can see here. So it will be sorting. For example, I want to, this name has been sorted out by the column, sorry, this model have been sorted out with the label sort. Okay, sorry, this label is sorted out with the label sort. You can see it is highlighted. So label sort, that means first I want to see segment, then I want to see categories, then I want to see top 10. So you just sort the labels. Okay, and all those things happens. And what is the relationship you have in the on the relationship part? So the hierarchy table should be connected. If I'm going to the manage, this hierarchy table should be connected to my dim product table on bi-directional way. Okay, then it will work. Okay, if I'm going here, you can see the model is connected to the model. This is my unique key. Okay, product, for example, in your dim table you are having the SKU as the product unique key, then this should be connected with your the hierarchy should contains the SKU name, and it should be connected to the dim product table with the SKU name, and many to one relationship with bidirectional. Okay, once this is created, bidirectional both directions. Okay, so it should be cross filtered by both directions. Okay, then it will work. Okay, once this is created, then it will 100% it will work. You can see in the segment wise, you can see in the category wise, you can see top product wise. Okay, so in this way you can synchronize the different hierarchies. There are so many other ways are there. This is one of the way. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you very much.